Yesterday I was recording the microwave mochi video. So when I was recording, I forgot to record the part where I actually taste the mochi. It happens a lot when people are just starting to record themselves, and especially if you're a mom, you get a lot of distractions. But I came back to say that the mochi was good. It was soft, it was chewy, and sweet. So now I'm gonna try to make it the way I used to eat in my childhood, which is basically toasted on a fry pan a little bit until it like is crunchy on the outside, and then you eat it with a little bit of soy sauce and sugar. Let me drink this because I just came back from it. So I froze the mochi and I put it in a little bag. So let's see if I can fry them. Bit of vegetable oil. Oh gosh, I think it's actually working. Put some soy sauce, some sugar. Oh look at this mochi! Nice and crispy. Oh, It's not quite the taste as the same mochi I used to eat as a kid, but it's good.